Yep. So I wanted to do an unboxing on my new Travelers Company notebook, the passport size. To recap what I have, currently I picked up this blue in Kyoto with this charm. I've been loving it. It's been getting a lot of good use. And, when we decided to go to Little Craft Fest, we saw that Travelers Company was going to be there. And then they announced that they were going to be having the new covers there available. So we got there. That was the first store we went to during the festival. And I just wanted to do an unboxing. So funny enough, we got in line and we said, we're not going to buy the notebook. We're just going to go check out what they have and, just get like some answers or something directly from them. And then somebody showed it to us, showed us his personal notebook, and he had the red, and we just fell in love with it. And so we all three decided to get it. So this is the dust cover. Every traveler's notebook is filled with love. Nice little dust bag. And then here is that red. I think it's really, really sleek looking. I think it looks really, really nice. The Love and Trip is embossed there. I think it looks beautiful. And it comes with this, it's a blank insert Love and Trip, and it's embossed stamped gold on red. I think it looks so sleek, really, really clean. I really, truly think that I'm done with buying notebooks, notebook covers now. I feel like I'm pretty set. The only thing that would be different would be like a bigger size or something like that, but I have a couple of those locked and loaded. But I just wanted to do the unboxing of this really beautiful new notebook cover from Travelers Company. We were really lucky to be able to pick this up at the store, at the festival. Yeah, just wanted to share. Thanks.